European Union officials urged the Indonesian government on Wednesday to restart discussion on a transnational trade pact proposed late last year. The EU is currently the second largest investor in the Indonesian economy, with trade reaching a record $34.8 billion in 2012. But Indonesian officials say several hurdles still stand in the way of boosting ties.
2012 was a banner year for Indonesia-EU trade relations, but figures slumped by more than $1.3 billion in 2013 amid concerns over a then yawning current account deficit and a weakening rupiah. The figures belie a more pressing point that even at the best times, Indonesia falls behind its neighbors in trade with EU partners. EU trade with Malaysia totaled $48 billion in 2012. Trade with Singapore reached nearly $72 billion the same year. To date, more than 1,000 EU companies invested some $180 billion in the Indonesian economy. Indonesia currently books a trade surplus with the EU, in part because of barriers faced by Indonesian companies attempting to break into the market. The European ambassador for Indonesia, Brunei and the ASEAN, Olaf Skog, says the Comprehensive Economic Agreement, CEPA, is a win-win for both partners.
Look, I think we're in a good spot now to prepare for the deepening of the relationship between the European Union and Indonesia. There was a new government will come in here. There's also been new leadership in Brussels, in the European Union. So I think we need already now to identify the areas where Indonesia and Europe could work more closely together. Trade is one of them, and investment. And I think the fact that we do not today have any formal regulated platform, no comprehensive economic partnership agreement in place, I think is a problem. I think it would be better if we had one. It would be a win-win both for the Indonesian people and for the European people. So I hope we can start looking at relaunching that and start negotiations eventually.
The Indonesian Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Kadin, says trade is hindered by too many barriers preventing Indonesian products from entering the EU market. Kadin Deputy Chairman Chris Cantor says the two partners need a trade pact to lower the barriers of entry into the EU market.